Hello there. In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to use Google Analytics for your marketing efforts. Whether you are tracking traffic conversions or sales, Google Analytics is a powerful tool to help you understand your audience and optimize your marketing strategies. Let's dive in. The very first step is getting Google Analytics set up on your website. Go to www.google.com/analytics and create an account. Once you have set up your account, Google Analytics will give you a tracking code that you need to add every page of your website. Here's an example. Simply copy and paste this code into a section of each web page. This is what allows Google Analytics to track all the activity on your site. Now, traffic doesn't equal sales, right? Here you might be getting tons of people visiting your site, but are they actually converting into customers? This is where Google Analytics goals come in. Google's goals let you track specific actions on your site, like making a purchase, submitting a contact form, downloading a free report, requesting a phone call. I recommend using destination goals to track when a visitor reaches a specific page. Here's a quick guide to set it up. In Google Analytics, go to Admin, then View, then Goals. Click on New Goal, select Destination, and input the URL for your goal page. Then track the conversions and see how well your traffic is performing. Next up, tracking your marketing campaigns. Google Analytics automatically tracks a lot of campaigns, but for more accurate results, you will want to use UTM parameters. These are special tags added to your URLs to help you track exactly where your traffic is coming from. Head over to Google's URL Builder. Here, what you will do at the source of your traffic, define the medium, give your campaign a name. Once you have built the URL, just use it in your marketing campaigns and Google Analytics will track the performance of your specific campaign. You will see all details in your acquisition, then campaigns report. If you're running an e-commerce website, this step is crucial. Ensure your sales data shows up in Google Analytics. To do this, you will need to set up e-commerce tracking. Here's go to Google Developers. Then follow the instructions to enable e-commerce tracking on your site. This will allow you to track transactions, revenue, and other e-commerce metrics directly in your Google Analytics report. It's a game changer for understanding your online store performance. And there you have it. These are the key steps to start using Google Analytics for marketing, from adding tracking code, setting up goals, tracking campaigns, and adding e-commerce tracking. By using these features, you will be able to optimize your marketing strategies and improve your ROI. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop any question in the comment.